Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today, I just want to announce that GM changed the protocol, the way, the lay of his programming totally, like yesterday and before yesterday, they changed it. So here, how it is, let's see together, how does it work? Okay, here, for example, I need to access something, service programming package, service programming, everything changed. But you see here, this one if you want to pay. But let me see access, service programming package, global diagnosis, plus Tech2, Tech2 win, you see here, ends, this one end 11/4/2021. Let me see this one. You see, TLSIM admin, download Tech Connect, get ready to be Tech Connect user. The Techline Connect application requires that your PC meet 10 window. This download user guide. You have a video training, launch Tech Connect admin. So I don't know, launch Tech Connect online. I don't know how does it work, but they have a user guide or video training. Let's see what it is.
Techline Connect will be released in phases across the various regions. When your region is activated, you will see a dialog box when you launch TISTAWeb. The TISTAWeb main page will have the Techline Connect installer. After you click on it, you'll see pre-installation instructions, links to the user guide, PC requirements, and a link to the Techline Connect training video. Be sure your Techline PC meets the requirements before installation. Also print the user guide as a reference to help with installation and basic navigation. When installing Techline Connect for the first time, plan around 30 minutes for the install.
So let me see what is there.
An icon will be placed on the desktop that will allow you direct access to Techline Connect without having to log into Global Connect.
So it have GDS, all this stuff. Wow.
The first thing technicians will appreciate is Techline Connect's single sign-on. One login connects you to all needed resources. This main screen is what you're calling the dashboard. SI, GDS2, and SPS are all available right here on the upper left of the screen.
Here.
These programs have not changed, so you won't have to relearn how to use them.
Good.
Techline Connect allows all these programs to work together with less effort on your part. To optimize Techline Connect's features, start by connecting your vehicle with the MDI, then choosing Select VCI device from the Techline Connect dashboard. For MDI setup, use the MDI manager.
Wow, that's good.
Once a connection is established with the vehicle, Techline Connect automatically starts populating the dashboard.
This may be if you are a dealer or something.
Without a vehicle connection, choose the Select Vehicle tab.
Wow.
This is where you go to start any search, as there is no longer a bin entry field in SI, GDS2, or SPS2.
Wow.
From this function, you have the option to enter the bin by typing or copy and paste from another application like your repair order. Select the year, make, model, or select the VIN from history, which will populate Techline Connect with the session you left off from.
That's a good information. So
the dashboard automatically displays field actions and warranty history for the selected vehicle.
So this is I just try to go with it slowly. I'm gonna close this one here. So I'm gonna go to access, and then let me see if I can download Tech Connect, download Techline Connect. So open one is done. My message here is that GMC changed the layout, the way of connectivity. So you can have some time to look at it and understand how does it work. It have PDF here, column. You have user guide download. It have video training. You can go, you train yourself, support yourself, and it will be okay to have all the information. Good. I'm downloading it here. It maybe take 2 to 3 minutes before it download, and then I will do everything that's possible and then see what happened. I'm just giving you an idea that GMC changed the way, the layout of programming, diagnosis, test whip, They say everything now is in one platform. That's good and easy and no hassle. Before you have to go here, like for example, before you have to go here and get, where is that? Where is this? You get here and activate GDS. You see here, GDS every 3 months. It looks like they changed this one. So I'm gonna wait for this to download. After it's finished, in 3 minutes, we're gonna see what happened. Couple of 27 seconds left. I don't know how this works, but GM changed. And I'm supposed to get some tech support to walk me through, but it's okay. I just want to make you aware of that there is something new here. Now, if it's done, we're gonna open it. And then it's gonna install something here. It's done, but it's gonna open maybe by itself because I say open when it's done. Yes, you see here, start downloading. Yes. Choose setup, United States English, yes. Welcome to installation wizard TLC suite. Complete, all program feature will be installed, require the most disk space. All the version of Techline Connect will be uninstalled first. I don't have that one. GDS setup, all this crap, they're gonna come in here. Three seconds, 2 seconds. Do you believe this? Okay. All this install TDM also. Okay. Yes. This car, we don't know anything unless you have to bring it. We're gonna spend some time on it. Yeah. You have to put the dealer tools and then spend time there. No problem. Take that. Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Everything is done here. They say complete. This is an idea. I know my camera is not clean, but let me finish. And from here, I believe now let me see what is there. Yes, here I see something. Yes, Tech Connect. Checking list. You have to put username, password maybe. Wow. You see here? See this, what is here? So it's here already. I don't know how it's working, but wow. I don't know how it's going, but there is something have to be done. They check the list. But anyhow, I just give you the idea that there is something come up I'm not sure how far it is, but I will give you an update if I'm able to go through it. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share. And this is the new phase of the new GM programming sequences. Thank you.